I have the controls.
Is that? We lost the speed. You understand what's happening?
I'm losing all control of the plane.
Controls to the left.
What the hell are you doing? We've lost all control of the airplane. We don't understand anything. We've tried everything. What do you think? What do we need to do? I don't know. It's going down.
Climb.
But I've been at maximum nose up for a while.
No, don't climb.
We're going to crash. This can't be true. But what's happening?